This time we are going to use exactly the same method which we used before. We are going to add the whole numbers first. I have 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Next, I have to add fractions. I have 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. Okay? Common denominator for all these three fractions is 12. Okay? At this moment, you're supposed to see that. Okay? Because 12 is divisible by 2, 12 is divisible by 3, and 12 is divisible by 4. If you still don't see that, try to use the prime numbers. Okay? Now, but we are going to stay with 12. I have 1 over 2, I have 2 over 3, and I have 3 over 4. We said common denominator is 12. Now, by what number I have to multiply 2 to get 12? I have to multiply by 6. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. So I have 1 times 6 is 6. By what number I have to multiply 3 to get 12? I have to multiply by 4. If I multiply denominator by 4, I have to multiply also numerator by 4. 4 I have to multiply by 3 in order to get 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Times 3 is 9. Okay, so I have 6 over 12 over here. Okay, I forget to add 8. Plus 8 over 12 plus 9 over 12. I have common denominator 12. I can add the numerators. Okay, 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 over 12. Now, this is improper fraction. I have to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. I simply have to check how many times 12 goes into 23. So I have 23 and 12 over here. 12 goes into 23 once. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so my answer is 1/11 over 12 for this division, where the remainder goes to the numerator, the top goes to the front, and the divisor goes into the denominator. If I want to find the final answer, I have to add the number 8 to whatever I got from the division. So I have 8 plus 1/11 over 12. Okay, so 8 plus 1 is 9 and change, 11 over 12. And this is the solution to the problem.